What's this?
His teeth. I thought you guys were into that. Make a necklace or something. I was told if I want to sit down, I had to make the message clear. I did. Your snitch ain't gonna be talking about anything for a very long time.
So what do you want?
Just to clear the air between your organization and my MC. We never had no direct beef with the AB. Shit that went down with Darby and the Nords.
Darby was a poser, and the Nords were a joke.
Yeah. And we both know Zobel was a cancer. Almost killed both of us.
So what about this slaughter at Gerber's ranch? What do you know about that?
We heard that was an internal beef. Look, man, we both know what's happening in Oakland and Stockton. Brown and Yellow are pulling together because Black's got the gun trade. Lynn and Alvarez are already playing a hard offense. The street's gonna get bloody, and that's gonna impact relationships inside.
That don't mean we'll start sharing tables with the GN. And they ain't gonna start including us in their nigger movie night either.
Hey, you can keep hating as much as you want. But when you get to Stockton, you should let your crew know that when push comes to shove and White needs a friend, they do best to reach out to the darkest hand in the yard.
Let's go, Teller. DA wants to talk to you.
So we good?
I might need a few things from you in the future. Yeah, for now we're good.